Here we go.
At the top, guys. At the top. The LCD, 10. 10. 5 goes into 10 twice. That's 2 times 2 is 4. 2 goes into 10 5. That's 15. The answer is 19 over 10, or 1 9/10 is fine. 2 points. The answer is 19 over 10, or 1 9/10. This one. If you have congruent arms, you have congruent angles. Once again, congruent arms, congruent angles. So it says squeeze a sponge, you're supposed to find everything. If this is 116, this is 116. 180, this is 64. 64. 64. You take that and that's 128, which means this up here, the squiggle is 52. We've got 90 degrees there. Therefore, this is 38. 180 minus 38 is 142. Divide by 2, you get 71 and 71. Okay, don't score it yet. This is how I want you to score. Start at 6 points. Then take away a half point for every incorrect angle. Start at 6 and take away a half point for every incorrect angle.
You're doing good. You got it all right.
Okay, last one is monkey face. Monkey face. Eyebrow, eyebrow, smiley. So we go 3 plus 7. That is 10. That's less than 12. Then we go here. 7 plus 12. That is greater than 3. And the last one, smiley face, we have 3 plus 12 is greater than 7. In order for this to be a triangle, these all must be greater than. One of them is not. The answer is no. That's worth 2 points. Score out of 10, please, and return. Score out of 10 and return.
Literally a potato. No cupcake. No cupcake.
All right, guys, page 2. Page 2, I promised you this is one of the easiest lessons of the year. Easiest lessons of the year. And you're going to actually have an opportunity for extra credit. You just kind of hang tight. Ready? We have about 8 minutes, and then I'll give you an extra credit problem. If you get the extra credit problem, you got it correct. You'll get 2 points back on your brain Java. So if you get a 10, technically you get out of 12. And then I did have several students finish this in class with a sign-up, so they do not have any homework unless you're trying to catch up the last lesson. Step 1, I'm going to be working with 3 different colors. If you want to have 3 different colors out, that might be nice. You ready? Go like so. Straight arms there, Caitlin. And then I want the satchel on the ground, please. Satchel on the ground. Okay, ready. Go like so. Field, join us. Like a football, nice straight elbow. Okay, no, that's fine. All right, now make a small angle. Okay, no, now look up at your fingertips. Say small angle. Look at your fingertips. Say short distance. Now make a big angle. Now look up. Say long distance. Okay, that's as complicated as it gets today. Look up here. I'd like you to draw a triangle. MLK. MLK. This is so easy, so I'm going to just entertain you by doing this quickly, so stay with me. Okay, we are at LK is 3 2/5. MK is 8. And ML is 7.5. It says right here, draw a triangle with the given measurements. Order the angle measurements from least to greatest. We want to go angles, so write the word angle, and we're going from least to greatest. Problem is you don't have any angle measures. So, so circle the shortest side. Circle it. Say these two words. Shortest, smallest. So your smallest is across. So angle M is across the shortest side. That means angle M is the smallest angle. Middle, medium. Angle K is the middle. Middle, medium. Circle the middle side. Draw an arrow. Medium. Out loud, say longest, largest.
Longest, largest.
Circle the longest side. Largest angle. So the correct order is M, K, L. From least to great. That's 3 minutes, guys. I have 5 minutes more. Listen up.
Let's do it, guys.
So, number 2 thing you learned last night was that if you have a triangle, the sum of 2 sides has to be bigger than the third side, always. So this is a classic SAT question where you're given 2 sides. We are told here that that's 8, and that's 14. And you have an unknown side for YZ. We're going to use N there. It's going to ask you what would be the range of potential answers. If you know this is true, the sum of 2 sides have to be greater than the third. Sum of 2 sides greater than the third. Sum of 2 sides greater than the third. That must be true for all 3 numbers in order for this to work. Now I'm going to show you the long way. This is the long way, and then I'm going to show you a shortcut because everybody likes a shortcut. Now, we have to put our numbers here. Let's do 8, 14, and N. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Smiley. Okay, ready? 8 and 4. You know, it's okay. It's my own imagination. Okay, 8, 14, and put N over here. That's my blue eyebrow. Write this down, please. Annalise, dear, can you sit up just a bit? You're welcome to put your feet up there. Just, I don't want you wholly slouched. Thank you. Okay, next one is 14 and N, and put an 8 over there. Your last one is 8 and N, and put your 14 there. So get all 3 combinations, guys. All 3 combinations. Okay. Now we're going to solve. 8 and 14, add it up and blurt it out. Add and blurt. Go. 22 is greater than N. That's the first one. Number 2, minus 14 both sides because we have to get N by itself. Okay. Ben, if I take 8 and minus 14, what do I get? Negative 6. So N has to be bigger than negative 6. The last one, I minus 8, minus 8. And Isabel, this will be yours. 14 minus 8, ma'am. 6. Now look, we cannot have a measurement here which is negative, so we're just going to say goodbye to that. So N is less than 22, but bigger than 6. That's your answer. N is less than 22, but bigger than 6.
Oh, I thought for a second.
Okay, you guys ready for a shortcut? I know you guys like shortcuts. Ready? Go like this. Go like this. Put your hands up. Say 8:14. Okay, add. 22. Okay, 8:14 again.
8:14.
Subtract. What do you get?
6.
6. Great. There's your range. Add. Subtract.
Oh.
That's how hard that is. Okay. Next page. Ready for some extra credit?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn to the next page. It says right here that you're going to use the information below to order these side lengths. AB, BD, AC, DC, and BC. There are 5. It looks like there's 6, but technically there's only 5 there. There's 5 segments. You need to order those segments from least to greatest. And I want you to put your answers here. That's a less than sign, so it's from least to greatest. Do not use the bottom. The bottom's for the answer when I give it to you. I'm going to set the clock for 4 minutes. Let me tell you what is true. It's not drawn to scale, so you can't go by how things look. All right? Completely on your own. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. However, if you're correct, you're going to get 2 points back in your brain Java. You have 4 minutes by yourself. Go. I'm going to turn on the light so you can focus. If you don't know what to do,
Wait, can we leave the lights off?
No, some people need
No.
to go. Print small. Do what you can do. Do what you can do. If you don't know what to do what you can do. You can read it. You can finger track. Okay, you have 4 minutes. Do not share your answers. You have 4 minutes. Do Students, it's very important if you're correcting right now that you at least show them how to do this. Okay, step 1, look up here, guys. So if you don't know what to do, you do what you do? Can do. So we can find this. What is it? At the top, what is it? 48? 48. What's this guy? This is 68. Okay. So now, step 2. I see 2 different triangles, so I'm going to color code my triangles. Should I do that? I don't know. Can I do it? Yes. Why not? Okay, ready? And from left to right, my small side, small angle, small side. So BC is the smallest in that. Medium side. Cool. You got it? It'll be on Friday's quiz, Mr. Field, and you'll nail it there. That's where it really counts. Okay, ready? This is the smallest here. So it is DC. Medium. BD, largest. BC. Now, here's the logic. Okay, please write these 2 series down. Write them down if you didn't already. Write them down so people can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so in the red family, BC is the tallest kid. So let's say that's his family. In his family, he's the tallest kid. But he goes over the neighbors. His neighbors are all a bunch of Amazon basketball players. So when he goes to his neighbor's house, he hasn't changed heights. He's now the shortest kid in the block. In that family. If he goes over and visits his neighbor's family, he's now the shortest. So if all these families, the red family and the blue family, go out on their front lawn, who's the shortest of the short? DC is the shortest of the short. Why? Because BC's taller in the red, but over here, BC's the shorty. That means these 2 guys, shorter or even smaller? Okay. Out of these 5, who's the larger of the large? AB is the tallest of the entire bunch. So it goes like so. Okay? Goes like so. Down here, we start with DC. BD. BC is the middle guy. Okay, watch. This is the red family. The red family. In the red family, BC is the tallest. But in the blue family, BC is the shorty. So BC, AC, and AB. That's the correct order. Did anybody get that correct? No, it has to be all correct. Okay, flip it over, add 2 points to the brain job. Everybody turn to page 5. Page 5. Page 5. Your goal is to finish page 5 and check. Page 6 and check. And finish page 7 and check in class. Page 8 you're going to do at home. You might finish, if you're really fast, you might finish page 8 in class. Okay, ready? Do 5, check 5. Go.
3 4.
No, we're skipping 4. Lights coming on.
I can't feel my arm.
I want one person with a clipboard. Come up to the top of page 5. Okay, I want one person with a clipboard. Come up to the top of page 5 with me. One person with a clipboard. I want you to come up to the top of page 5 with me. Okay, I want one person. Hi. Hi.
I feel like a genius when I'm up here.
If you need help, page 5. Come on down.
Fancy running into you all again.
All right, so what are we being asked here? Page 5, what are we being asked? Which ones can be? So the rule is, what's the rule?
You do that the 2 sides can't.
Two sides have to add up. It has to be bigger than the third side. And we do it eyebrow, eyebrow, smiley. So this one, I'm going to go like this. Eyebrow, eyebrow, smiley. Okay. Now, the first one's going to be 13.6 plus 5. Now, you actually don't need to do the math. Just put 9 over here. You should be able to tell. Are those going to add up and be bigger than 9? 13 and 5. Okay, so you know it's bigger. You don't even need to worry about the decimal.
A triangle.
Now, this one, 5 plus 9.2, and bring the 13.6 over here. What's 9 plus 5? 9 plus 5?
14.2.
Okay, so we know that's bigger. That's okay. I know you're working on it. Last one. This one's an easy one. 13.6 plus 9.2. Is that obviously going to be bigger than 5? Okay, so yes, all 3 combos work. So lo and behold, it's a triangle.
Yay!
Well, does
I'm
it
so
work?
out of it, I didn't even circle the right thing.
Eyebrow, eyebrow, smiley.
I don't even know why.
No, don't get scared. Do eyebrow, eyebrow, smiley. You can do it in your head. This one. Okay, 6 plus 14. That bigger
I
than
don't like
27?
coffee.
How do you not like
No, I like red bull. Like,
Okay, you know what? Guess what? The minute one of them doesn't work, automatically. There you go.
to like
Hey, Luke. Luke.